Hello, everybody.
Get the tree. Get what? Wait, we cannot make slime?
Yeah, we can make slime. That's scary. I'm scared of my own parents.
We're going to activate this. Wait, I'm gonna get
Get a big goose. We're making slime.
Okay, why don't you show it to your friend?
Hello, mga parents.
And they don't exactly see it. Oh, I'm just gonna hold the camera for you.
No, don't. No. This is basically what we do.
Oh,
Okay. What are you going to make? Powder slime or glue slime?
Huh? New slime.
Glue slime.
No, like,
Do you want to make powder slime?
no, I like blue slime. Good, pretty good slime. I like this
Which
color.
color?
I like this color and the stars.
Okay, you can do that. But I make glow in the dark.
Yeah, but how will
We got our glow in the dark glue.
Is that
And our
glue?
other glow in the dark glue.
Wait, there's two glue in the dark.
And our clear glue. At
Yeah.
first we're going to make.
Oh my gosh, we would wake up.
Wait,
from-
get that.
These two?
No. Actually, yes. We need this for our containers. Get that.
This one?
Yeah.
The dry clay?
Yeah, it's going to be essential.
Me too. I want to be the same.
Where should I sit down?
You can sit at my back. Come on.
We're
Hey,
going
can you also give me some? What about me? Give me.
You know, that is not including glue. You cannot use glue with this. You only can use that and water.
Oh, but how did you add some garnish and color? Oh my god.
What?
How did you add the garnish and color?
What's a garnish?
Decorated with color. Hey, can you also do the same to me?
Okay.
Give me
Hold
some
on.
glue in the dark glue, please.
Okay.
Give me some.
Which one do you want?
I think the pink one. because I
I'm
love
also
pink.
going to
It's
make
so
slime
cute.
with you.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say, actually make a YouTube channel, please.
Okay. You want
So
me
we
to
can
follow
feature
you?
you
You want me
guys.
to follow you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can use Tatay Dos phone for it, I guess. I don't know. Where do you watch videos?
Did phone?
What? Dichi's phone?
Yeah, because my virus is died.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
just making it spread.
Okay. I thought you were pouring it down.
Bye.
Hey, wait, is that glow in the dark
It's
too?
my
No, it's clear.
So you just clear, okay.
ice slime. I need
And
my
then, can I already add some garnish already?
No, not yet.
Not exactly yet.
We have to add the activator.
I just smell it. It's good.
It smells bad. It's not good.
Yes, all of the slime made of this. This is made by powder.
This
No,
actually,
it smells bad. It smells bad.
it's like glow in the dark.
No,
to
the thing
me.
is, only one slime from I made from that actually smells good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it broke.
How?
Like it went dry, as in like a fail.
Well, how did that smell good?
Oh my god.
Like as if like banana,
Help
like
me,
frozen
help me.
apple.
Help me, help me.
Oh no! Yay!
Yay! Okay, where's mine? I got pink. You got white.
Wait, I'm going to add some of this because it makes me feel cool.
Me too. Me too, your mom.
And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. Just a
Wake
little-
up! Wake 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 up!
Let's go now. Just open it.
It's not open. What? What?
I think you have to
Oh
use.
my god! Wait.
You have to use a spoon to scrape it.
Oh my god! What? What? Eh,
Let me just mix mine a little bit.
no, not yet. Girl, not yet.
Okay, it's gonna...
No, not yet. We have to add the activator.
Activator?
Activator.
You have to use the
Wake up.
spoon.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Be quiet.
Wake
the
up.
big Achis are sleeping.
The big achis.
Yeah. Okay, here.
The big achis.
Hey, you have to use this to scrape it.
No.
No, you don't use it.
Okay, now we're going to add our cup of activator. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you do the honors
What honors? What do you mean?
in pouring your cup. Okay, don't spill it.
Just like that.
There, yeah. Okay, now you get a random pencil or something.
I'm gonna need this one.
Okay.
Because you don't need it, right?
We need it.
Okay. I'll mix it now.
And also we can...
Can we mix it already or not?
Okay, you're gonna start mixing.
Ah! Oh, it's starting to make like slime.
Okay, I got my random stick. Snake.
Oh my god. Random. Wait. This
Okay, we will now
on the
make
top
this-
is on. The top is open.
Water.
The bottom is open.
What?
The bottom of that pan is open.
That's fine.
Ah, okay, fine. Okay, can we add the decorations after this?
Actually, we cannot skip this.
I'm so
We're doing this for you guys, everybody.
Oh
Quiet, bro.
I'm tired.
It's
Give me some water.
You want water?
water in the dell.
I need
I think I need more activator. I think this is enough for you. This is really how it's consistency.
I need the water. I need the water.
Make sure there's no good.
Okay, you want water?
I'll mix yours, Yumi, while you're with Javet. Robot.
Okay. You want water? You want water?
Does Shetty want water?
Well, he's outside right now. So I'm not gonna do a prank on her because I don't know. It's funny. Before we were like two sisters to my sister, so we were like two Achi when we went to the bathroom. So that's how we were. So let's see. You can see it has so much bubble, you guys. Look. Okay. Let's leave that to set for her. Now it looks mine. Mine look out really pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How cool is that?
Actually, do you want Swiss Miss?
Yeah.
Okay, it's like Milo.
Okay, and then let's just set that for a minute. And I'll show you what many decorations we got here. So
Talk to vlog.
I know I'm talking to the vlog.
Okay, what did you say to vlog?
I didn't make a prank on you. And then after I told them we're the two Achis at the bathroom.
What?
We were like the two Achis at the bathroom, not my sister, right?
Okay.
And then I said,
Okay, start making jokes. Okay, I just want nice views.
So here I got some like balls that is like cute. So here, oh no, it's okay.
Actually, wait.
I'm showing them.
Commercial break.
I'm so happy.
Hello. Welcome to our commercial break. We're going to advertise Swiss Miss.
I'm a pop kid, guys.
Oh my god, it's done.
Oh, it's done.
We're making Swiss Miss.
Hey, it's not too like that.
Did you know you can? Oh, wait, we need scissors.
Scissors.
Get scissors. Or I get scissors.
Oh, that's good, right? For a baby thing.
Yeah, Mama. Oh, Daddy. Now it's mine.
Oh, Busty. Oh, that's Busty's, right?
No.
Oh my god.
Good morning.
Good morning of the day. Oh my god.
The Swiss Miss of the day. Where's Archie?
Can you show me at the camera?
Wait. The real Archie. The real Leon. Ah.
Oh my god. I farted.
Did I put it in? Yes, I did. Shoti? I mean, not Sachi.
Sachi, this girl.
Yes, Sachi. Sachi, do you want marshmallows?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
But I'll show them to the. Can I show them to the parents?
Oh my god. Wait, I already showed them.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's in like a video. Okay.
Quiet.
Bye-bye.
Look at the birds.
My clothes.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
No, you
I can tell the other one is a boy.
I like clothes.
Lumi, I can tell the other one is a boy. You know why?
Why?
The hair is like strapped up, and the other girl is like the hair is like.
No, there's a boy and a girl.
Yeah, I know, but we don't know which is the boy or the girl.
I know which is the boy or the
I
girl.
need
The blue one is the boy, right?
I need the
No.
glass.
That's the girl.
Yeah?
I need to
Oh my God,
wash
this hair is so
in the
good.
glass.
It's like so messy.
Water in the glass.
Okay.
Where? Have you seen them from the fish?
Okay, we're going to use this as our mixer.
Oh my god.
I just tripped and fall.
Okay, wait. I'm just showing them to the fish.
What? Shout out?
Show to the fish. Make him show
I
them.
already showed them.
I don't think so.
No, I showed them on my YouTube channel.
Oh, before, not in this time video.
Yeah. You should make videos now.
Okay.
I haven't seen you on YouTube yet.
Really?
Yes.
You keep on being like
Did you know you can make money?
on YouTube.
Yeah.
You're also helping your family?
No, not really. Because I now have 29 subscribers. Fine.
Well, it has to be 1 million subscribers so I can get
Guys,
1K out.
Nice!
What?
Oh, nice! Ooh!
Wait.
Guys, I think I just made snow. Get the vlog. I think I just made snow.
Wait, that really? Okay, I can get the vlog. Let's
Oh my
see.
god.
It really snow?
It doesn't really look like snow, but it feels like snow. Oh my god.
Is that snow, really?
Not really.
Not
But
really,
it feels
but-
like snow.
Really?
Okay, now put the vlog back.
Okay, I'm just gonna put them back to where. Oh, look at this fork. It's so cute.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Don't do that! Don't do that when the vlog is here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Let's be like.
Sachi, what are you doing?
Where is the arrow? I need to shot them.
Okay. Sachi, do you want straw? We cannot
Why
make
the birds
cupcake.
keep on like? I don't know. Let's go play the yo-yo.
Yo-yo?
Yo.
I know how to play the yo-yo.
Oh my god.
Not like that.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, you just slid. Hey, what's going on? Why are you sleeping there? Oh my god. Wait, is this really or is this skin broke?
It's silver. It's made no. Yeah, that's the vlog, Sachi.
Oh yeah, that's the heart one and I
Let's make. Do you want
star one,
straw?
everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, this is really good.
And don't drink yet.
Yeah, and I got 2 heart molds.
Water.
We got 2 heart molds here. And
Nice.
stars.
But we cannot make.
We can like make pretend cupcakes. Pretend cupcakes with slime, right?
Yeah, kind of.
So I like it. So both of us will have the heart,
Here.
right? Both of us will. Wait, do you use this for baking? Do you use this for baking? Really? Do you really use it for baking?
Twink, 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 twink. We are not the twinking man.
Why are you thinking? Your mother is sleeping.
Yeah, she is.
And that would be really crazy. Somebody would be sleeping in the bathroom.
Help me.
People would actually sleep in the bathroom.
What?
Yeah.
Sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you wake up. Whoa, what happened to you here? Oh my god.
If I see ever. Are you okay now?
But I want it in
You
here.
want water?
Walla, walla, walla. Walla, walla.
Ah! No! Okay, stand up, stand up.
How did you do that to me?
I thought it was
Sorry.
like a squeaky rat.
Okay.
Birds don't do
We
that.
are now the spooky man, the spooky man.
Those sounds make me think there's a rat in your house.
What?
Those squeaking sounds make me think there's a rat in the house. That's true. Is it ready? Are we not gonna go make our slime? I'm gonna go just mix the slime for now.
Okay. Advertising done.
It's my seat. Sit with that seat. Sit with that seat. Oh, it's cute.
Okay, we got the slime. We're almost ready.
Say with Achi.
No.
Say with Achi. Why not? I'm going to be sad if you don't be with Achi.
This slime really looks really cool. Add some more activator, you said.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Oh my god, what
There's
happened?
one more.
What?
There's one more.
Oh, that's just the
Look,
glue from
There's
the.
two.
Yeah, I know.
There's two of them.
That's why I felt it was so thick. There's 2. Oh my gosh, mine turned out slimy.
Oh my god, you're right. I feel like it's time to take it out.
I don't think so. I don't want it to be sticking in my hands. Let me. Oh, I haven't added the garnish yet. I haven't got.
Give me
added
my
the decoration.
sweetness.
Sweetness?
I still have to add this cute little star.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh yeah.
It's so thick. Mix,
Okay.
mix, 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 mix. Yeah, yeah,
Let me
yeah.
just get the scissors from the outside so we can pour our garnishes.
Hi, Sachi. Don't play. Don't play. That's bad. That's bad slime. That's bad slime.
That's pea slime.
Yeah, pink slime. We're going. Do you want slime?
No, I want sweetness.
Hey, have you mixed mine? Hey, have you added a more activator?
No.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
You like mine.
It's pretty nice.
Let me just add in this star.
But I'm not going to add that because
There
it
any
ruins
garnish?
everything. No, that.
This one.
It's like another garnish for me.
Oh, you mean this the
Wait, can I have also some
stars?
stars?
Okay. It looks like really pretty with the stars.
Okay, nice.
Oh no, I added a lot.
Give me my sweetness.
His turn.
Nice.
Give me my sweetness.
Okay, hold on.
And then now we add a little bit of balls. Would that be a good idea to make a little moon in there?
Oh my god, they're right. That's my idea. Okay.
I did the colorful balls in mine.
Oh, I'll add the white balls. Oh my god.
So I have a up. Oh, you got like all gray. I have colorful.
Yeah, I was thinking of space.
Outer space.
Do you want to still drink a swish wish?
Who?
Okay, hold on.
Who said swish mish?
Me.
Oh, this would be really fun. Oh my god, I created a big bubble.
Okay, we just got to mix until it's perfect.
I'm really happy in here. You know, Yumi?
Yes.
And I know you like your other friends have been watching your channel.
No, no.
Yumi off.
I don't think so.
Yumi off.
What? No.
You know, I saw a friend that is,
What?
you have a friend, right, when we went to go to the simbahan of your dad, the one that we went there and then you dance.
What?
Remember that?
What? I don't get it.
You the one when you danced with the other kids?
No, I don't remember that.
The one we went to the girl, the one that is very old with Ate Yeye.
Wait, like when we went to my dad's house?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Mine looks really still slimy. Touch it.
Oh my god, it looks perfect.
Look,
Wait, this mine look perfect too.
Yours look like
You
Pinkie
can
Pie.
still see
Ah,
it.
so
Pinkie Pie kind of love pink.
Yumi, you can still see the
Oh, let's
colors
add our
of
cake mix.
Okay.
But you have way lot than me.
Oh, to me, I want
Can you add me more?
lime.
I really need more because I have smaller than yours.
I want to lime.
It's because you haven't mixed them a lot, so it doesn't look like it.
Mexico.
I mix it a lot anyways. Look
Oh,
how...
oh, oh.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
That's a fail.
Oh my god.
Wee.
How did you fail? How is it
Ah!
fail? Oh no, mine is a fail.
Mine is kind of a fail.
Mine is really...
Because look.
Look what happened. Look what happened to this bag.
R.I.P.
You
Show it to vlog. Show it to vlog.
Oh my god, that's so smart. Oh no, the bunny is so cute anyway. Wait.
Tell me if
It's not-
Ate
it's
Mimi,
not-
if it's too hot.
Wait.
Is that hot?
Wait. This looks like the slime that I got stuck with before. I have to wash my hands.
Oh my god, it's perfect.
Perfect. So,
have
have your hands not sticking in there? Come on, let's go outside. I want to wash my hands. You don't want to go.
Okay.
Shot sheet. Talk with vlog. Talk with your friend. Our friend. Talk with our
Hi
friend.
there.
Don't toss it, okay? Okay, it's fine.
He didn't.
Hey, you're mixing my slime, didn't ya? Give it to me.
I'm helping.
Oh, it actually works. Just have to mix it around.
Oh my god, okay. I have it. Oh my gosh.
I'm done with my slime.
Mine is like an epic fail.
Like the epic fail. That's like MVP.
At the Mimi,
MVP.
take at the Mimi. Oh, at the Mimi.
Wow.
Ate Mimi? What does that name? Ate Mimi?
What? It sounds like Yumi. But you replace the U with me.
Yumi.
Yumi.
Ah, this is like a cool
Bye,
one.
Yumi.
I don't think this is a fail.
Yeah, like
Let's just count this for a victory.
Yeah, let's count it as a victory.
Even though it's gonna look like a fail.
It looks like an epic fail.
Yeah,
The
it is
epic fail.
but it's okay even though it's epic. Oh, okay, I'm gonna add in my cake mix.
And I'm going to add.
Hey, you're not gonna add your cake mix. It's not sticking. Oh no, just take one time.
I feel like you should have the glue on. I mean, like the air dry clay.
Oh, you mean? Really?
Yeah.
Look at your hands.
Nothing's wrong.
The other hand.
Nothing. This hand.
Yeah, no, this hand. Look at that. It has stars.
Nothing's wrong.
Okay, I'll go get a little bit some AJK now.
Oh my god, add some egg or flour, my god.
Egg or flour, oh my god.
Oh my god, like give me some first.
This is the one I played before. This is really good.
Oh my god, we're like the opposite cousins because you don't know anything about the internet. Not a lot of stuff with the internet, and I know a lot of stuff off of the internet.
Yeah, but all I know at the internet is just to watch YouTube and Roblox.
And Roblox.
Yeah, I love Roblox so much.
And Minecraft.
Yeah, Minecraft.
Where is my phone?
We're videoing.
With me.
Huh?
With me.
Because we're videoing. Bye. See you next time. Subscribe.
Bye. Subscribe, everybody. Please.
Hit the like button.
You did